Hi, this is Milu. Today's video, we are unboxing the large ornament from Home Depot. It's a must-have. Please watch until the end so you can see how we transform our family room and how we style the ornament. Please let me know in the comment section what you think about what we did with the ornaments. Usually we would use it outside, but this year we decided to bring all of our large decorations indoor. If you haven't, please watch my home tour so you can see how our entire space was transformed into a winter wonderland this year with all the large decorations we got from Home Depot. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing. I appreciate all of my old and new subscribers. Please enjoy.